Hey everyone! Today, I've got the Azvegr multi-USB charging adapter kit in this pretty pink color, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone drowning in cables. Inside the sleek 3.2 by 0.4 inches box, you'll find a 12-inch USB Type-C cable, a Type-C to Type-C cable supporting 60W high power, and a quick charging adapter for your phones, tablets, and laptops. What sets this apart is its versatility. With USB-A, Lightning, and micro USB converter adapters, you can convert on the fly, from USB-C to Lightning to USB-C and more. It's a one-stop solution for your charging needs, catering to computers, phones, iPads, and both Android and iOS devices. But wait, there's more! Beyond being just an adapter, it doubles as a phone holder, making it super convenient. Need to transfer data? It's got you covered at 480 megabits per second. And if you're worried about durability, fear not. The Type-C to Type-C cable has undergone a bending test 10,000 times, ensuring it stands the test of time. The quality is evident, with the cable's surface thickened by 0.2 mm and made from durable TPE material. The adapters are designed for up to 10,000 plug and unplug cycles, ensuring longevity. Cherry on top, the kit includes 2 nano SIM card slots, 1 micro SIM card slot, SIM card not included, and a SIM card slot tray eject pin. It's compact, convenient, and an all-in-one solution for your charging and connectivity needs. Definitely a thumbs up from me. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.